Hi kids, we are going to see the first lesson, English of 5th class. Let's be friends. Already we have seen the explanation in the previous video. Now we'll see the grammar part. Yeah, page number 12. Okay. Just go through all these points. Okay, from the textbook. Here the main thing are a and the. Okay, these are the main articles. These are called as articles. Just go through these all the points. And next, here some examples are given in which a, the are used. Okay, and next, pick out more examples of a and the from the story. So from the lesson, you read the lesson and pick out the words which consist, pick out the sentences which consist a and the. Okay, here we have written few examples. You can see here. Once upon a time, he would make a big breeze
appear
for a whole day. So like this, you write down few examples from the lesson. Okay, next we'll see the next one. After coming back from the picnic, Hari wrote a letter to his friend about the way he spent that day. The letter is given below. Fill in the gaps with necessary articles. Dear Teja, I'm fine and hope to hear the same from you. Pupils of our class went for a picnic to a seaside last week. I was left alone, so I went to the sandy corner and sat down. My mother packed me an egg, a cake and a chocolate. At the time, a large sandy lobster crawled out of the pool. All the sea animals tried to shake hands with me, but they pricked me till I was black and blue. They taught me a lesson not to hurt anyone. Okay, so here we are filling the all the articles. Okay, a, the. Okay, look at the words underlined in the following sentences. Hari was sitting quietly in a sandy corner. A crab came and nipped him hard. He ran fast. The words quietly, hard and fast tell us how the actions took place. These words are called adverbs because they modify verbs. Complete the passage with the given adverbs. So here some adverbs are given: immediately, heavily, fast, slowly, badly. So you have to fill in the paragraph. Okay. Last Sunday it was raining heavily. I have already done heavily. We asked our driver to drive slowly, but he drove fast. The car hit a cyclist and injured him badly. We took him to the nearby hospital. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of underlined words. What Anu says is clear. She speaks clearly. This is direct bus. It goes to Mumbai
directly.
Lata has a sweet voice. She sings
sweetly.
Raju's answers are correct. He solved all the sums
correctly.
Yes. Fill in the blanks with given adverbs. Tomorrow, early, forward, everywhere. First one, wake up dash in the morning.
Early in the morning.
The soldiers marched
forward.
I looked for the keys
everywhere, but I couldn't find them.
Dash is a holiday.
Tomorrow is a holiday.
When Hari went for the picnic, he happened to see the notice board on the seashore. Here is the notice. See, in the notice you can see what do's and don'ts, what you have to do and what you should not do. So everything is given in the notice board. So similarly, by seeing this, now write a notice to keep your school surroundings clean. Okay, so what you have to do and what you should not do, you have to write on in your own sentences. Okay, this I'm leaving for you, I'm not explaining. Next, after reaching home, Hari thought of what had happened to him at the end of the picnic. Write down his thoughts in the box.
Yeah.
This you have to write in your own sentences, own words. Okay. Hari went to Raghu. He wanted to be Raghu's friend. Here is a part of a conversation that took place between them. Complete and role play it. Hari.
Raghu, please don't go away.
Raghu. I don't want to talk to you.
Hari, why?
Raghu. Because you keep pinching me.
Hari, I'm sorry, Raghu. I will not do it again.
Raghu. Do you really mean it, Hari?
Hari, yes, Raghu. I will never hurt anyone again.
Raghu. Okay, Hari, we are friends now.
Hari, thank you, Raghu.
Use capital letters, full stop, comma, question mark wherever necessary and rewrite the following sentence. So first one, where does Arjun live? So the starting of the sentence you have to write capital letter. Okay, where? So W is a capital and Arjun is a name. So name should start with capital letter. And since this is a question, you have to keep question mark. Okay. Second one, Rajini is standing in the veranda. So since Rajini is a name, you have to write capital letter. So Rajini is standing in the veranda. Sentence is completed, so you have to keep full stop. Next, third one, Kamala brought toys, puzzles and chocolates for her daughter. Since Kamala is a name, you have to write capital letter, brought toys. So she has bought many things. So for all the things you have to separate them with comma. Okay, so toys, comma, puzzles and chocolates for her daughter. And finally full stop. Okay. Next, page number 17. So just go through the points given here. Read yourself, all of you. And this, by this we complete the first lesson, grammar part also. Okay.